Hi guys, this is Mayank and I'm going to take session for that user management, and we are going to create multiple user with default password, and we are going to do this script with the sales script, and I'll try my level best to make you easy because it's a little tough task to create a default password for multiple user, so we can manage it through a script. So currently I have created one user manage directory, and I have just came to that directory. Currently I am in user manage directory, so we are going to start writing a script, and I'm just opening a text file so that we can write our script over there. And the script is nothing but it's a vi text file only. If we change that permission, that file is become a script. So we'll see how we can write this script, and let's go and open one vi task here, called name as user manage.sh. Here I can introduce that has been bash, that is sales header, because I am writing in a sales script, so I am introducing that bash here. And then I can say some define some variable which we am going to take care of in this script. So I'm defining one variable, who am I. So let's go and write this, because if we did not define the variables, then it is quite tough to perform the task. So we are making some condition, because this user add and pass wd for other user, that command only super user can be done, can be execute. So I'm setting here who am I as a variable, and I'm using this tilde symbol, means to understand inside content is a not a argument, it's a command. That is a use of this tilde symbol in that script, to make it's a treat like a command. But I will suggest you to writing a direct command. You can give that full path for this, whatever the command you are using, I will suggest you to give the full path. So for that, who am I also, I supposed to say like slash usr slash bin, and I need to make that entry here. Okay, bin. Okay, now I can say one condition here, like if my user, some normal user logged into my machine, they could not able to execute this file. So what should I say? I could say I can compare this variable. This who am I says who are the login in that machine. So I can use compare value here. So I'm putting one condition, if uh, comma who am I, capital who am I, comma sorry, inverted comma dollar, because I am taking that input of that who am I variable is not equal to root. So this is my condition. If some other users are trying to execute, they will get error on this is condition. Then echo you must be a root user. Then I can say exit, and I'm closing this if condition fi. So if my condition matches over there, then what is our main motto to perform some tasks? Suppose I have 100 number of user which I need to add to this machine. So I am not able to write a user add command at 100 times. So I will use one condition for, like, I can put that 100 user details in some file and I can read that file and I try to create some that whatever the user list over in that file I can try to create. So I can say for name, name is a variable. I am just keeping here this for loop condition, so that name in, again I am using that tilde, so I am using that cat command to go and read some file which I will place in later. Cat slash user manage, and I can create one file called as user details. User details. So this is my first condition. I will close this bracket. Oh, sorry, I didn't use that tilde. One second. Yeah. So this is my first condition. Then what we have to uh, do then I can say user add with full path, that is in sbin, I guess. Yeah, sorry, it's in sbin user add, then I can say dollar name, because I'm using this variable for to reading that file, and that is going to do one by one that user add command here. So first task we have added here user name and echo. What echo says to give this, print this whatever the value I have typed as it is, and I am using pipe here to make this output input for this password command. So I have given the full path here slash usr slash bin passwd space hyphen hyphen std space dollar, because I am calling that variable name. Okay, then I can say echo inverted dollar name user is added. Then I can say done, because here my condition satisfied. It will go and it will read that file and it will create a user add and it will do the task. Now what I have to do, I have to change this permission for this file. For scripting, this is permission called as 755. So now you can see it became a green color text file, like it's called as Celsius script. Now I am adding some details here, like Mayank, Anil, and Sonu, Abhi, Kunal. Then I can say add Ram, Sam, okay, Mac, Sam. Okay, now I think that is much enough. Whatever the list you can define here, and you can read that file will come and read that all user here. So I will request you to, I will create one user manually here to show that my first condition will satisfied, because who am I if I try to log in, because currently I don't have any user in this machine. So I will suggest you कि I will going to create a Mayank user so that I can say how this scripts work. I'm just going to create one user here called as, sorry, first I'll show you that is there any users are available. Okay, no, there's no users are available in this file, and where we can see that user details in passwd file. Okay, so now let's go and create one user for this particular machine. User add password. Okay, so here my password is set for Mayank, and I try to open a duplicate session. Okay, duplicate session. I'll try to log in with Mayank. Okay. Okay, currently I logged in. I will go to that directory which I have created. User manage. Now I try to execute that script which I have written over there. Okay, some syntax error I guess, and it is also satisfying that condition. You must be a root user. Let's correct. Let me correct that syntax error first. Okay, I'm entering one extra line. A space I have given extra. Okay, I'll remove this space here. Okay, I'll save this file. Oh, sorry. Okay, now I'm going to run this script again with the Mank user. The syntax error gone, and it is telling you must be root user. Now it's time to see any user is there. No. Okay, so I'm going to run this script here. Let's see what happened. Dot user manage dot sh. Okay, it is telling for Mayank it is already existing a user, and for others it is already successfully. So let's go and read that password file again. Yes, I can see what are the list I have given. I can see that users. Let's see is their password is set for this users or not. Where's the password details available? It is in shadow file. Yes, I can see that is all password are stored over with encryption. It means कि password is set for all user. So guys, if this help you,